My name is Inese. I come from Latvia and I am 32 years old now. And I would like to tell you a short story of my success. If I have to start from the very beginning, then my story began 10 years ago when I started to pick strawberries, at first in Finland. And as you can see some strawberries here in the snow, as it is winter time now in Latvia, and I cannot show you the real way how I pick the strawberries. Now I am picking the strawberries from the snow and putting them in a one small box, and during 5 years time I have picked, I don't know, maybe hundreds and thousands of such boxes with strawberries. At first in Finland, I worked in Finland for 5 summers, and then I moved on to Norway, and I went on with picking strawberries for 3 more summers. And I spent the money I got for picking strawberries and raspberries as well for studying and acquiring the English language. So during 4 years I was studying at Daugavpils University to get the qualification of an English teacher. I was earning money by picking strawberries and studying for 4 years. And at the end of my studies I got the diploma, and now I have a bachelor's degree. At the present moment I am studying to get the master's degree. What else I can say? During these years of studies my daughter was born. Her name is Paula and now she is 10 years old already. And frankly speaking, I have raised up my daughter alone. And at the same time I have managed to finish my studies, to raise up my daughter and to start my career. Now I would like to introduce you to one of my group of English students. Here you can see 7 students who are studying at College of Accountants. We have so far studied for 3 months, and what I would like to say, this is a very good group. And what I would like to say is that we are acquiring English language through songs, through games, through practical tasks, of course. And what we would like to do now, we would like to sing one small English song as a wish for all Norwegians, for all people across Europe, as a wish for a happy new year. So let us try to sing one song. We have studied, let's say so, 20 minutes ago maybe. So, Higeri dog, the mouse ran off the clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Higeri dog. So as I have told you before, I have taught adults and different other groups of students the English language for 4 years. I have been teaching English in Finland summer courses. I have been teaching unemployed people, and of course before that I was working at school as an English teacher for 3 years. When I thought that I know English quite well enough, I started to think about changing my profession. And I started to attend the courses of projects writing and management. And what I can say to you now is that now I work at a town municipality, at Balvi municipality, where I work as a project specialist. And thanks to that I have written a lot of projects, international ones, the ones meant for improving infrastructure and so on. And what I would like to tell you at the very end is that you all have to study languages, because thanks to studying languages you can travel, you can earn more money, you can change your workplaces, you can do so many things in your lives thanks to knowing a language. Good luck to you in studying and good luck to you in acquiring the language.